Hey everyone, it's Dan here, and today we've got something really cool and that is bright, and they're gonna be going on a Ford Raptor. So let's check them out. We have these special edition Venom Rex wheels by Vorsteiner, exclusively done to match my jacket. No, in all seriousness, these are going to go on our Ford Raptor project vehicle because it's got orange accents already, so these should fit real nice. So what's in the box? We have a set of 4 Vorsteiner Flowform wheels. These are the new Flowforge 601 design made specifically for the Raptor. It is a 20x9 for the 6x135 in a plus 12 millimeter offset. So these are actually going to go on our 2018 Ford Raptor with 37-inch tires. So it's going to be kind of cool. So let's see what's inside the box. We've got what is a normal Mystic Black wheel that we have had custom powder coated by Vorsteiner themselves to really pop and get some attention. Ready for it? Ba-dang! This is super bright, super orange Vorsteiner Flowform wheel. So again, this is their new Flowform design. It's a combination of forging and casting to be light, very light for a standard non-one-piece or 3-piece forged wheel without the cost of a forged wheel. All right, you can see in the sunburnt orange, it's got the Venom logo there engraved in there. Very nice pocket design, cool spoke setup, and then it comes with this very Super Duty center cap here with the V logo. That way you don't have any ugly looking lug nuts, wheel nuts, whatever they're called, center bore nuts sticking out. So we've got 4 of these things we're going to put on a Raptor and wrap them with some 37-inch tires. Our Raptor already has 20-inch wheels on there, so this should be same looking size, but instead of just a orange ring, we've got the full orange bonanza happening. So Vorsteiner calls their truck line Venom Rex. Same V logo, same great quality, but Venom Rex. We have these wheels available now for stuff like the Toyota 4Runner, Toyota Tacoma, and the standard colors for the Raptor. And as you know, Vivid Racing has always used Vorsteiner in a lot of our project vehicles, from our Porsches, McLaren, BMWs, and more over the past 10 years. All right, we're gonna weigh the wheels and see how much they are for a Flowform wheel. Okay, let's see, we got this thing zeroed out. Let's put the wheel on there and see how much this thing weighs. Typical one-piece forged wheel in a 20 is about 21 pounds as a 20x9, so 21, 22 pounds. The Flowform wheel weighs in at just about 28 pounds, which is pretty light for a 20-inch truck wheel. I mean, if you consider stuff like a Method or Fuel wheel, those 20-inch wheels can weigh almost 40 pounds. All right, guys, so we are going to fit these on the Raptor here soon, so make sure you subscribe to see the next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you think the wheels are hot or not, tell us. Maybe we'll take your feedback. So there you have it, the Vorsteiner Venom Rex. These wheels are available on vividracing.com. So stay tuned for the next one. We'll see ya.